Hi, today we will view a question about find the area under the curve. That's application of integrals. So if we are given function f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 3 over the interval from 0 to 3. So if you think about analyze this function. This is quadratic function, and you could factor it to know our zeros and our bounds. So x squared is x times x, and if you factor 3, positive 3 will be negative 3 times negative 1. You know your zeros will be x equals 3 and x equals 1. Fine. But you look at this interval, this started from 0 to 3. So we're missing this part from 0 to 1. So we need to look at the function, how it looks like. So we make a table, good idea, plot some x's to find y, x, and here is f of x. And we're gonna plot 0, yes, and 1, it's important, 2, and 3, that's it. If you plug it in 0, then 0 cancel x squared, 0 squared is 0, minus 4 times 0 is 0, then 3 left. So 0 and 3. If you substitute for 1, of course, will give us 0. If you substitute for 3, will give us 0. Substitute for 2, 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 2 is 8, and plus 3. And 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 8 is negative 1. So we know now how it looks like. We could graph now the function 0, 1, 2, 3. There is 1, 2, 3. Enough. We don't need that more than 3. Plot 0 and 3. It's 0 and 3. This is the first point. Then 1 and 0. Then 2 and negative 1. You go down a little bit here. And then 3 and 0. Connect points. And this is part of quadratic function, parabola, quadratic functions. And you see that this curve will intersect with x-axis in 2 points, and will create 2 areas, two regions. We could name this area 1, and this is area 2. So to find area 1, we need the integral of this function from 0 to 1. This is our bound, from 0 to 1. So the integral of x squared minus 4x, let's finish the integral first with respect to x. So x squared will be, as you know, integrals rules. It will be x to the third over 3. And negative 4 and x will be square divided by 2. Plus integral of 3 will be 3x. Could simplify this more to be 1/3 x to the third minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, x squared plus 3x. This is the result of integrals. So when you do area 1, you will find this value from 0 to 1. Evaluate it. If you plug it in 1/3 times 1 to the third is 1/3. Minus 2 times 1 squared is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And 1, plug it in 1 here. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we need to simplify 1/3 minus 2 plus 3. Have common denominator 3 for all. If you want to increase numerator, this is have the same numerator 1. And this should be tripled. 2 times 3 is 6, because 6 divided by 3 is 2. And this must be tripled, so it will be 9 divided by 3 is 3. Simplify, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 minus 6 is 4 over 3, and this is area 1. Let's do area 2. Area 2 will be in here. So the same result of integral 1/3 x to the third minus 2x squared plus 3x. And our bounds will be from 1 to 3. From 1 to 3. You plug it in 3. So 3, 1/3, and 3 to the third is 27, minus, you plug it in 3 here, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so this will be 18, plus, plug it in 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and 1/3, 27 is 9, so 9 minus 18 plus 9, this is part of it, so 9 plus 9 is 18 minus 18 equals 0. You plug it in 1 will be, so minus, so f of 3 times f minus f of 1. And here is what we did here, f of 1 minus f of 0. F of 1, the value is 4/3, minus f of 0 will be 0. And here's, if we substitute for 3, it will be 0, as we did here, 0, 0, minus, we need to substitute for 1. So 1/3, 1 is, to the third is 1, minus 1 to the second is 2, times 2 is -2, plus 3. So we'll do the same here, like we did here. It will be 3 will be 9 over 3, and this will be 6 over 3, and this will be 1 over 3. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 divided by 3, 9 plus 10 is 10 minus 6 is 4 over 3. That's area 2. If we add area 1 plus area 2 equals 4/3 plus 4/3 equals a third. And this is the area 1 and area 2, the area under this curve, x squared minus 4x plus 3 from 0 to 3.